coefficient. So coefficient is the big number that is in front. And this one tells you how many molecules there are. And just a reminder, molecules are a group of atoms that are bonded together. So molecules are a group of atoms that are bonded together. So in our example, we see a big number and we see a little number. The coefficient is the big number. And this big number just tells you that you have 2 molecules. So that means that you have 2 groups. So I'm going to draw 2 boxes. 1 box and 2 box. And they're going to be made of exactly the same thing. So now that I know that I have 2 molecules, I have to look at what's inside the molecule. So we have CO2, and this is where the subscript comes from. So carbon, again, it's missing. And I know that these are 2 separate elements because they're both capital letters. So carbon has a 1 behind it, and oxygen has a 2 behind it. So what that tells me is in each molecule, I'm going to have 1 carbon. And in each molecule, I'm going to have 2 oxygens because that 2 right there tells me that I have 2 oxygens. So now whenever we're trying to figure out how many atoms we have in total, our carbon atom would be 2, and our oxygen atom would be 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's do another example. Let's do 3H2O. So for the 3, again, the 3 is my coefficient. That tells me how many molecules I have. So I have 3 molecules, 1, 2, 3. And in each molecule, I have hydrogen and I have oxygen. So it's 2 separate atoms or 2 separate elements because of the capital letter. So this 2 lets me know that I have 2 hydrogens in each molecule. And oxygen doesn't have a subscript behind it, so it's automatically 1. So I'm going to have 1 oxygen in each molecule. So that big 3 tells me that I have 3 molecules, but these subscripts are telling you how many you have in each. So if we're going to count them, hydrogen would be 6 and oxygen would be 3, a total of 9.